Wow, good, good, good. It's very important, Jud, ang bata mabasa instruction, no? That's so very nice, Lucian. Yes, you go, man. Bella, listen to Kuya, please. Up. Later na, baby. Follow Kuya Artas, please. Bella, listen, please. Thank you, baby. So just like the other siblings that we have in the world, yep, we do have this kind of scenario. Later. You listen to Kuya Artas, ha? What's that, Tash? Chan? What are you doing? What is that? Is that a glue? Oh. Nadinig ko. What are you doing, Bella? Okay. And what are you gonna do with that? What are you doing, Tas? Water? Tas, what is that, Tas? What is that, Tas? Huh? Hi, Bella. What are you doing, Bella? Oh, say hi to everyone. Ouch, my feet. Oh, you hurts. And say thank you, Artas. May give it. What is that, Tas? Can you also need Tas? Glue and water? Oh, awesome. Huh? Okay. It's okay. What's wrong? Oh, it's okay. Ikaw, ano makatas? Oh, you share lang. Bahin-bahin. Ha? There's a lot, you know, so you can enjoy it each. Don't, ayaw lang ihurot siyan. Oh, okay. No, I mean, I guess the concern ni Artas, what is your concern? The glow in the dark task? Okay. You just tell him that ka. Bili ko siyan for ano. Siya, awag mo sa mana. Asa na? Laundry detergent. Kaya wag ko. Yeah, what do you want? Okay. Oh, so you need to have, this is actually a package of slime kit. This was given to us. Thank you so much, Tito Bao, Ate Inga. Oh, Polly G. Wow, that's nice. Let me see the consistency daw, eh. Bella. Wow. Oh, okay. Okay, so thank you so much for this. The kids are really enjoying it. So the kit consists of a slime glue. It has a laundry detergent. So I'm just wondering, pwede na siguro na ito mapalit sa tindahan. Yeah, there are 2 DIY slime glue, washable clear glue. Oh, okay. Hi Bella, what are you doing?
Oh, pwede rin nakabot ng glitter.
Okay. Oh, another DIY washable glue. Okay, so the package includes this one. Like ng mga styrofoam gagamay nga ano. Wow, this is cool. It has this one. Yeah, Bella, it's cute, Bella.
It's big.
Yes, Bella. What's the spoon? Yes. It includes this one. Mga containers. Okay. What is this? Wait, what's ni? What is this? This is lang.
Oh, detergent.
Oh, detergent. Okay. So we have here coloring, like pigments, like glitters. So this would help, have your slime, DIY slime to be colorful and artistic. So what are you doing now, Shan?
I'm putting detergent.
Oh, okay. How about you, Tas? What are you doing now? What are you doing, Tas? What's that? Can you explain that to me, babe? What's that, ni?
Hey,
What's that?
I'm following the instruction.
You're following the instruction? Oh, so this is like the example of it.
Yes.
Like the recipe.
Now.
Wow.
Bella, stop. Look, guys, it's funny.
What? What's happening now? Can you put that on the light, please?
They said if you put when you put it in light for 20 minutes, it will glow in the dark.
Wow, awesome.
What's Snickers?
Bella, what are you doing? Where's your slime, baby? Okay. What is that? Let me touch, babe. It's a slime gamay. Okay. So I guess para na siya matabang consistency. You need to share it, love. Do you need to hurot ako sa kayo na natas? Yeah. Awesome. Hi, Bella.
Hi.
Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
What are you doing, guys? What are you doing now?
Mama, I want this one.
Oh, that is a glue. What is that, Bella? Yeah. Ano sa karon dyan? Oh, can I touch? Oh. So what are you doing now, Tas? Bella, can you give her a little bit? Yeah, but you need to ask your brother properly, okay? You say please, and then Kuya, I wanna touch. Okay, thank you. Say thank you, Kuya Artas. Only few lap, only few. Only a little, so Kuya Artas will be completed. Bella.
No.
Huh? Okay, now, put that back. Oh, that's enough. Styrofoam. 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 Lingin-lingin. Ay, diha. Ay, may nana. Oh, the floor, Bella. Kumot na pala. Hindi siya magsilingan. Tagaila gamay. Bella, here, Thank you, Kuya Artas. Kao, dili na. Make your hair na. Make your hair na. Put some pink. Sige na, wow. That's nice, Bella. Thank you, Kuya Artas. Say thank you, Kuya Artas. Mabit na magubot. Ay, kaya na. Kaya katong last time na inana mo. Kuya, glimpis sa okay. Make sure you clean up your mess, ha? Clean up after you're done, ha? How are you doing, Shan? There you go. Slime kit. Okay. Okay na. Okay na. Okay. Wow, it's nice. And give her ito. Sige, patry lang siya. Ayaw siya ganang. Well. Artist slime. Too much. Not too much glue, love. We already have too much glue. Oh, nice. Okay. What happened now? What happened to your Shan? Asa may mga tans? Are you done? Oh. Slowly. Can you mix it again since Artas put some glue on it? You help daw siya mix. You mix it, love. Mix it now. Shan, asa may mga Shan?
Mommy, what's red?
Yes, you want red? Let me see yours, Shan. Can I touch yours? Come here. Okay, do you want to turn off the light so we can see if it's a glow in the dark? Oh, wow, I like the texture, just like Lord Art does. Oh, I like it. It's good. This is a glow in the dark. Here you go. Are you done, Bella? Put some like this, Bella. Lushan, what happened now? Did it work?
It works.
Really? Is it glow in the dark?
Come, guys.
Awesome! Whoa. That's nice. Oh, you have it. Yeah, I like your slime too.
So I'm still charging up.
Okay. What's the What happened to your slime, baby? Be patient, baby. Why do you think your slime is like that, love? Do you need help? Do you ask help to your kuya? It's okay. Well, you did it on your own and that's a very good job. So we just need to learn on how to mix it well, okay? Okay, Bella? I think we need to put some glue. Okay, let's go ahead and put some glue. Can you help a little bit, Bella? That way, she was crying because her slime didn't turn to a slime. It turned to like very slimy. Oh, you're an octopus. I mean, oh no! Not in the floor! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, it looks like you're really an octopus. Run on your own, Bella. Oh, Europe Nemo. Look at what will happen now. Mix it. Huh? Ah, that's for Kuya Luciana. You already mix a lot of color. You mix pink, you mix yellow, you mix orange, you mix blue. Okay, let's see what would happen now. Time of Artas. Yeah. He preferred to have his slime to have this styrofoam bubble or little circle. And the texture is really good. It's stress reliever. Okay, so this is the final slime of Bella. Yeah, so I don't know if it will still turn to slime. But hopefully the glue will dry it up and would give her a much kanang ugang slime. Yeah, she was really excited mixing up all the ingredients or the mga liquid here na pakapin sa slime. But it's a good activity. I bet they really enjoy it. Did they enjoy it? Okay. Oh, why you're so strong? Are you mad?
Always remember
Say thumbs up.
to clean up.